Hey, what's up everyone? So it's me again, Bella. So today I'm going to react Vanny Vabiola One Moment in Time cover. So before we start, allow me to say thank you first to all my supporters and friends, especially Vanny Baviola group in Facebook, Alipers Indonesia, thank you, the ever supportive group in Facebook. You can check them out. And also, special shout out to all my fellow vloggers, friends. Elmong Gala Vlog. Yan, mahilig sa magbike. Ma'am Shilis, do the cooking and eating. Ate Jen Recipe, thank you for always watching my vlog. Yan, she do cooking also Filipino food. Michelle Babon too, new channel. Hotspot Daddy, ayan, always doing live, LS, live stream. My sister in Vogue TV, doing mukbang, reaction, at iba pa. Sino pa ba? Rochelle Romero, thank you friend for always watching my vlog. Ilongga Linguistica, my BFF, Charity, she know how to speak Bahasa. You can check her channel. So, no further ado, let's go now to the reaction. So, this is it. Wait. Okay. The voice again is very powerful. Apes. As what I say for my previous reaction without you, I remember her like she like Cheres Pempinko of Pilipinas. Her voice sounds like that, if you agree with me. Wow. Speechless. Again, speechless. No question about her voice. It's very good. Very powerful. Powerful. A little bit more on her expression. So maybe next time, the expression a little bit lack, and then the diction like me. Yeah, diction is understandable because she speak more in Bahasa. But overall, perfect. She's a very good singer. No question for that. And salute Vanny Babula. More cover, especially English, because you have a lot of fans now. A lot of them doing reaction your cover, right? So that's all. And let me do another shout out. GNM Vlog, Joanna Yap, Kian Yap. Yeah, please subscribe their channel, my beautiful nieces and my husband channel. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you again soon. Remember, huwag magpa-stress. Bye-bye!